Hello and welcome to my channel. Here today I am going to embroider this tiny dolphin and let us see how it goes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video update. Starting from her eyes, I am using very basic stitch, that is the satin stitch with this black thread. All the 6 strands to make it in a compact way. To make her eyes look more great, I am adding continuing with the same thread over here for her eyebrow. This time I am just stitching in a diagonal way. Simply bringing the needle out from here and pushing it inside. This way this is almostly done. And using a white thread combo of 6 strands and making a French knot for her eyes. Isn't this looking cute right now? And continuing in the same way for her cheeks, I am using this pink shade, simply filling up the area circle over here. Now let's complete her mouth. Isn't this so calming and peaceful to have all parts coming up together like this? This is the best part that I love about embroidery, and this gives a nice satisfaction to the eyes. For her eyelids, simply completing the lines with a straight stitch like this. And now it's time to stitch up her body. Work with the little outer body part. Now I'm starting with the inside one with another shade of blue. I'm using multiple directional stitches so that it creates a complete shape. completing her fins for now. In a very similar way, and it's done. Just a final touches for her bubbles and everything else in place. So here it is. This is the end of the day 1, and I'm here with my little tiny dolphin piece. See you guys in my next video tomorrow with the day 2.